Hey there, it's Jess and my trusty sidekick Cliff. Today we're heating things up as we talk about, you guessed it, ranges. Whether you're replacing an old oven or setting up a new kitchen, we're here to guide you. While the model behind me may look different than your future range, the advice will still translate to your kitchen. First things first, consider your kitchen setup. Are you replacing an old model or starting from scratch? Electric and gas models both have their perks. Electric is a dream to clean, while gas offers immediate heat response. And don't sweat about the location of your electric or gas supply. Our adaptable designs have got you covered. Size matters. From our compact 24-inch range for those tight spaces to the spacious 30-inch freestanding and slide-in models, there's a GE range for every kitchen. And if you're the multitasking chef type, our double oven option will be your new best friend. Don't worry, you're not getting replaced, buddy. Color can set the mood of your kitchen. From the modern fingerprint-resistant black slate to the timeless white, we've got a hue for you. And speaking of features, let's dive in. On the cooktop, you've got choices. Electric options include the durable coil or the sleek, radiant, smooth top. And for gas enthusiasts, our edge-to-edge cooktops are both a treat for the eyes and super functional. Yes, a treat for you too. Inside the oven, it's magic. With no preheat air fry, you can whip up healthier treats in a jiffy. And our true convection ensures even baking every time. Tech lovers rejoice. With the Smart HQ app, you can control your range from anywhere. Preheat while you're still at the store or turn it off if you've dashed out in a hurry. Accessories, we've got those too. Self-clean oven racks can stay put during cleaning, so you can forget about lugging them over to the sink. And our broiler pans are perfect for those big Sunday roasts, not to mention our racks hold up to 30 pounds. For our gas range aficionados, additional grates and griddles are available to elevate your cooking game. Our ranges aren't just about cooking, they're about durability. With sturdy door handles and damage-resistant packaging, you're investing in quality. For those who crave the latest in tech and style, our profile and cafe brands are a must-see. From in-oven cameras to precision oven modes, you'll be cooking like a pro in no time. And that's the scoop on choosing the right range. Remember, Cliff and I are always here to help you make the best choice for your kitchen.